Our story begins in nature's garden, where honeybees gather pure nectar from thousands of wildflowers.
This delicate nectar is the raw essence of what will soon become our liquid gold.
The bees return to their colony, where the magic of transformation happens inside the beehives.
Inside the hive, carnelian honeybees work tirelessly to store and dehydrate the nectar into thick, rich honey.
At the peak of the season, our expert beekeepers carefully prepare for the harvest using gentle, traditional methods.
A frame full of capped honey is a sign of maturity, ready to be gathered for processing.
The harvested frames are quickly moved to a sterile environment to maintain the honey's purity. The thin wax seals are removed, revealing the shimmering golden honey stored within the cells.
Using centrifugal force, the honey is spun out of the combs without damaging the natural wax structure.
Fresh, raw honey flows out, unfiltered, unheated, and full of natural enzymes. A gentle filtration process removes small wax particles while keeping all the healthy pollen intact.
The honey rests in settling tanks for several hours, allowing it to become perfectly clear and smooth.
We use a low-temperature process to preserve the delicate aroma and medicinal properties of the honey.
Every jar is filled with precision, capturing the pure essence of the wildflower meadows.
Airtight seals ensure that the honey stays as fresh as the day it was harvested from the hive.
Each batch is fully traceable, ensuring you know exactly which orchard your honey came from.
Our labels represent our commitment to purity. No additives, no preservatives, just pure honey.
Packed with care, our honey is ready to bring sweetness to homes around the world.
From the hive to your home, the journey of nature's finest sweetener is complete. Experience the pure, unfiltered taste of nature. Pure honey, liquid gold in every drop.